Aris Design Panther Progetto Uno. Italian coach-building firm Aris Design has officially unveiled its first custom supercar, the Panther Progetto Uno. Production will be limited to just 21 units, with each bearing a price tag of around $620,000. The car is based on the same chassis as the Lamborghini Huracan, but its styling is inspired by the De Tomaso Pantera. At the heart of the Panther is the same 5.2-liter V10 engine Lamborghini uses in the Huracan. With an engine that provides such potent performance, Aris decided a little more power was required to really get the Panther going. Peak power is now rated at 650 horsepower, which is up from 602 horsepower the engine comes with from the factory. The Panther Progetto Uno can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds before peaking at a top speed of over 200 miles an hour. Hongqi S9 Concept. Hongqi is a Chinese luxury car marquee owned by the automaker FAW Car Company, itself a subsidiary of FAW Group. The Hongqi S9 concept was presented on September 13, 2019 at the Frankfurt Motor Show and celebrates 70 years of the People's Republic of China. Power comes from an electrified V8 that generates 1,400 horsepower. Initial estimates show the S9 is needing just 1.9 seconds for the 0 to 62 mile per hour sprint, or around the same as the Tesla Roadster. While flat out, it's understood that it'll be able to do 249 miles per hour, 400 kilometers an hour. Production will be limited to just 70 examples, and the price of each is $1.47 million. SCG 003. The Scuderia Cameron Glickenhaus SCG 003 is a limited edition supercar manufactured by American boutique car maker Scuderia Cameron Glickenhaus LLC. First announced as P33 in 2013, the SCG 003 was launched in 2015 at the Geneva Motor Show. The model SCG 003S, wherein the S denotes Stradale, will be powered by a bespoke 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine tuned to generate a maximum power output of 750 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The chassis is made from carbon fiber and uses a 7-speed electro-hydraulic sequential dual-disc clutch transmission. The SCG 003S streaks from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3 seconds and a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Naran Hypercoupe. The Naran Hypercoupe is a bespoke 2+2 sports car hypercoupe manufactured by UK-based automobile manufacturer Naran Automotive. Unveiled to the public in late November 2020, it is the first car and the first one-off limited edition model built by the brand. The vehicle is powered by a bespoke 5-liter twin-turbo V8 made by German firm Racing Dynamics, making 1,048 horsepower and 764 pound-feet of torque. Naran says the car will hit 60 miles per hour in less than 2.3 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour in 4.56 seconds, and top out at over 230 miles per hour. The car is scheduled to go into production in 2021. Just 49 units will be made, each priced at around $1.2 million. Aris S1 Project. The Modena, Italy-based car customization company has revealed a bespoke supercar based on the platform of the C8 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. The S1 will be powered by a naturally aspirated V8 that can rev up to 8,800 RPM and produce 715 horsepower. Mated to the donor Corvette's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and spinning the rear wheels only, the engine should rocket the S1 project from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds or less. The top speed will likely be over 200 miles per hour. Aris will build just 24 coupe versions, after which more derivatives will follow. If you'd like one, pricing starts at $590,000. Hispano-Suiza Carmen Bologna. Hispano-Suiza is a Spanish automotive engineering company and after World War I, a French aviation engine and components manufacturer. This electric hypercar is a pumped-up version of the Carmen that was unveiled at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. The Carmen Bologna is lighter than the standard Carmen and produces 1,100 horses. The Bologna streaks from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds and a top speed of 180 miles per hour. Hispano-Suiza plans to cap global Carmen production at 19 units, and only 5 of them will receive the Bologna package. Pricing starts at about $1.8 million before taxes. Ajlani Dracuma. Ajlani Motors is the latest hopeful to throw its hat into the hypercar ring. Its Dracuma concept, which debuted at the Dubai International Motor Show 2019. Powering the Dracuma is a mid-mounted twin-turbo V8 producing 1,200 horsepower, but performance estimates haven't been detailed. Ajlani intends to build 99 examples with lots of scope for customer customization. Mazzanti Avantra Millecavalli. The Mazzanti Avantra is an Italian supercar launched at the 2013 Top Marquis Show in Monaco. The high-performance coupe was created by Mazzanti Automobili founder Luca Mazzanti and designer Zsolt Tarnok. Unveiled as a prototype in 2016, the Millecavalli boasted 1,000 horsepower from a twin-turbocharged LS7 7.2-liter V8 engine, but during development, this was changed into 1,200 horsepower from an enlarged 7.3-liter version. Mazzanti claims a top speed of 250 miles per hour and acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 2.7 seconds. Mazzanti Automobili plans to build only 25 units of the Millecavalli at a rate of 5 cars per year, each of them tailor-made for the lucky customer.